Welcome to our journey through Cambodia, a country brimming with natural resources and biodiversity. From the lush rainforests of the Cardamom Mountains to the vast expanse of the Tonle Sap Lake, Cambodia's natural heritage is a testament to the delicate balance of life on Earth. Today, we'll explore 5 of the best places where natural talent in environmental science, biology, conservation, and ecotourism can truly thrive. These locations not only showcase the beauty and diversity of Cambodia's ecosystems, but also highlight the crucial role that human ingenuity plays in understanding and protecting our planet. Join us as we delve into the heart of Cambodia's natural wonders, where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge research, and where the future of conservation rests in the hands of passionate individuals dedicated to preserving these irreplaceable treasures. Our first destination takes us deep into the southwestern region of Cambodia, to the Cardamom Mountains. This vast emerald expanse is a refuge for an astonishing array of plant and animal life, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The dense rainforest canopy, often shrouded in mist, creates a sense of mystery and allure, hinting at the secrets hidden within. These mountains are a haven for large mammals, some of which are critically endangered. The Indo-Chinese tiger, with its distinctive stripes, roams these forests, a symbol of the wild beauty that still persists in this corner of the world. Asian elephants, gentle giants with their own unique family structures, also find sanctuary in the Cardamom Mountains. The rainforest floor teems with life. Colorful insects, their wings adorned with intricate patterns, flit amongst the foliage. Reptiles, perfectly camouflaged amongst the leaves, lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. And a cacophony of bird calls fills the air, a chorus of life that echoes through the trees. The Cardamom Mountains are a botanist's dream. Rare orchids, their delicate blooms a testament to the intricate beauty of nature, cling to branches, their roots drawing sustenance from the humid air. Towering trees, some reaching heights of over 150 feet, create a verdant canopy that filters the sunlight, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The rivers and streams that crisscross these mountains are home to a diverse array of fish species, many of which are found only in these waters. The Irrawaddy dolphin, a critically endangered species, can sometimes be spotted in the Mekong River, which flows along the eastern edge of the Cardamom Mountains. But the Cardamom Mountains are not just a haven for wildlife. They are also home to indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. These communities possess a wealth of knowledge about the forest and its inhabitants, knowledge that has been passed down through generations. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect the Cardamom Mountains and their inhabitants. Through a combination of scientific research, community engagement, and anti-poaching patrols, they are striving to ensure that this biodiversity hotspot remains a haven for wildlife for generations to come. Our journey now takes us to the heart of Cambodia, to the sprawling waters of Tonle Sap Lake. This vast lake, the largest in Southeast Asia, is a vital lifeline for Cambodia. It's a dynamic ecosystem, a living laboratory for environmental science. The lake's most remarkable feature is its annual flood pulse. During the monsoon season, the Mekong River reverses its flow, swelling the Tonle Sap. This transforms the landscape into a flooded forest, a crucial breeding ground for fish. Scientists study this unique hydrological cycle and its impact on the ecosystem. They monitor water quality, fish populations, and forest health. The lake is also home to floating villages, their lives intertwined with the water. Fishermen haul in their catch, the silver scales of fish glinting in the sunlight. Conservation organizations are implementing sustainable practices and restoring habitats. The Tonle Sap Lake stands as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of human and natural systems. Our journey takes us to the Prek Tol Bird Sanctuary on Tonle Sap Lake. This flooded forest is a haven for an astonishing diversity of bird life. Prek Tol is a symphony of avian sounds. The air vibrates with the calls of countless birds. Colorful kingfishers shimmer like jewels in the sunlight. This sanctuary is a critical breeding ground for globally threatened species. The majestic adjutant stork finds refuge here, its numbers recovering. The endangered spot-billed pelican also finds sanctuary at Prek Tol. Local villagers now protect the birds, demonstrating sustainable livelihoods and wildlife protection. Visitors embark on guided boat tours, scanning for rare species. Prek Toll stands as a beacon of hope for conservation in Southeast Asia. Our journey now takes us eastward to the highlands of northeast Cambodia, to Mondulkiri province. This remote province, a tapestry of rolling hills, verdant forests, and cascading waterfalls, offers a glimpse into a Cambodia untouched by mass tourism, a place where ecotourism meets adventure. Mondulkiri is a haven for those seeking an authentic connection with nature. Trekking trails wind their way through dense jungles, leading to hidden waterfalls where the air is thick with the spray of cascading water. The sound of rushing water, a symphony of nature, fills the air, a refreshing contrast to the silence of the deep forest. Elephant Valley Project, a sanctuary for rescued elephants, offers a unique opportunity to observe these gentle giants in their natural habitat. Visitors can witness the elephants roaming freely, bathing in mud wallows and socializing with their herds, a testament to the sanctuary's commitment to ethical elephant tourism. The Bu Sra waterfall, nestled amidst lush vegetation, cascades down a series of rocky tiers, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's raw power. Visitors can cool off in the refreshing spray of the falls, the perfect respite after a day of exploring the surrounding forests. The province is also home to several indigenous villages, each with its own unique culture and traditions. Visitors can interact with local communities, learn about their way of life, and experience the warmth and hospitality that Cambodia is renowned for. Coffee plantations, clinging to the slopes of rolling hills, offer a glimpse into the region's agricultural heritage. Visitors can sample locally grown coffee, its rich aroma filling the air, and learn about the process of coffee cultivation from bean to cup. Mondulkiri's commitment to ecotourism is evident in its many community-based tourism initiatives. By prioritizing community involvement, environmental sustainability, and responsible tourism practices, Mondulkiri is paving the way for a more balanced and ethical approach to tourism development. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Cambodia's cultural heritage, to the awe-inspiring temples of Angkor. While renowned for their architectural grandeur and historical significance, these ancient temples also hold a surprising significance for biology research, offering a unique window into the past. Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, is not just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a living laboratory for biologists. The temple's intricate carvings, depicting scenes from Hindu mythology and daily life, provide valuable insights into the flora and fauna that once thrived in the region. Botanists meticulously study the carvings, identifying plant species that were present in the Angkorian era. They compare these ancient depictions with modern-day plant distributions, piecing together a picture of how the ecosystem has changed over centuries. This research helps us understand the long-term impacts of human activities and climate change on plant biodiversity. The temple's moats, once purely decorative, are now proving to be valuable resources for studying aquatic life. Researchers collect water samples, analyzing the DNA of fish and other organisms to identify species and understand their genetic diversity. This information helps us assess the health of the aquatic ecosystem and develop conservation strategies to protect these valuable water resources. The ancient Khmer civilization, who built the Angkor temples, had a deep understanding of water management. Their intricate network of canals and reservoirs, designed to harness the monsoon rains, provide valuable lessons for modern-day water resource management, particularly in the face of climate change. Angkor Wat, a symbol of Cambodia's rich cultural heritage, is now emerging as a valuable resource for scientific research, demonstrating the interconnectedness of culture, history, and the natural world. By studying the past, we can gain valuable insights into the present and future of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Cambodia's natural talent hotspots. From the misty peaks of the Cardamom Mountains to the ancient temples of Angkor, we've witnessed the incredible biodiversity and the dedicated individuals working tirelessly to protect it. These 5 locations represent just a glimpse into the natural wonders that Cambodia has to offer. By supporting ecotourism, conservation efforts, and sustainable practices, We can all play a role in preserving these treasures for future generations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys around the world. Together, let's continue to explore, learn, and protect our planet's most precious resources.